Hi guys, today we will be doing some cute abstract nails. So I'm starting off by making my French tips with Cover Flamingo by Young Nails. As always, the links to everything will be down in the description box. So since I'm not the best with French tips and making them on my own, I got some French tip cutters off of Amazon some time ago, so I will be using that. All you do is press it down into the acrylic. Let the acrylic dry a little bit because you want it to still be wet, but you don't want it to be too wet to where it still run everywhere. So you just press down and pull, and then you scrape off the rest and file and shape to make it, the perfect French tip. And so I'm just going to repeat the process for the rest of the nails. So I'm gonna e-file at around 10,000 RPMs with a sanding band to get the extra acrylic off of the tip and to fix up my French tip shape. And I'll also use a hand file. They'll also be in the description. If you aren't already subscribed, please consider subscribing and joining the community and helping my channel grow. And if you want to be featured on the comment shout out, leave me a positive comment and I'll feature it on the next video. Alright, so I'm going to go in with 2 to 3 coats of Deep Blue by Venalisa. It is more of a sheer polish, like a deep blue kind of sheer. So it's not super sheer, but it's still kind of see-through a little bit. So that's why I had to do like 2 to 3 coats. But yes, I just filled in the rest of the tip and then we're going to encapsulate later. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with some builder gel, hard gel. I got this off of AliExpress. It's from Venalisa. They don't have it on Amazon, but I get it in a tub in bulk from AliExpress, so I will leave the link in the description if you want to try it out. I like it. I definitely think that it's a good bang for your buck because you get a whole lot for $75 if I remember. So I get like this, I think it's like about 2 pounds. Yeah, like about 2 pounds of it for $75. Alright, so I'm using my e-file to debulk the nail and even it out.
No recordaba lo bueno que era estar a solas, sin que me juzguen, con mis amigas cantando rolas. Que me aprecien, pero no tanto, quiero estar sola. Estar soltera, no disponible y siendo moda. Yo te quiero pero déjame, no me amas, eso se te ve. Y si sigues pues agárrate, que esta chica no la vuelva a ver. Yo te quiero pero déjame, no me amas, eso se te ve. Y si sigues pues agárrate, que esta chica no la vuelva a ver. Solo quiero ser que esa falda era muy fea, porque sus celos nunca dejaron que fuera bella. Me controlaba todas las noches, noches en vela. Con sus peleas, con mi persona y la botella. Yo te quiero pero déjame. No me amas, eso se te ve. Y si sigues pues agárrate, que esta chica no la vuelva a ver. Yo te quiero pero déjame. No me amas, eso se te ve. Y si sigues pues agárrate, que esta chica no la vuelva a ver. Solo quiero ser.
Alright, so for this design, I chose to have the nails matte. I just think that it looks better at the end. I kind of tried how it would look kind of glossy versus matte, and I liked matte better. So I just went with that. So I used Kiara Sky Chrome Powder Top Coat. I put it in my little palette at the top right corner, and that is what I'm using to create the little swirls, the outline for the swirls. And I'm not really doing it in a particular manner. I'm just doing whatever, just making little random swirls and stuff like that, pressing the brush down. And I kind of used this brush because the bristles were already messed up, and I've had it for some time now, and so it was the perfect brush to make these little weird designs with, because it wasn't perfect and it was already messed up. And so that's kind of the look I was going for. So with the makeup applicator that I get like from Dollar Tree and stuff like that, I rub in the gold chrome and rub it in really good. That's what the Kiara Sky top coat is for. It's made for chrome, and so that it comes out better. I went on ahead and bought it because I was tired of my chrome coming out looking crazy and stuff like that. And so it definitely helps with the chrome looking like it's chrome instead of just, you know, gold sparkles. So definitely get it. It definitely made the chrome look chromy. Look chromy, I guess you can say. Okay, so I'm now taking a liner brush and using my regular top coat to go over the chrome, and then I'm curing it, and then after that I take a rubbing alcohol pad and wipe off that extra chrome. I don't know what happened to the rest of the footage, but this is pretty much where it ends. If you have any questions, comment them down below, or any advice, and in a few seconds you will see the final reveal shots. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.